Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Buffered Output Stream class in Java IO streams. So first of all, let us have a small revise. What are IO streams in Java? IO. So IO stands for input output. Then what is stream? So stream means flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. So basically we have two types of streams in Java program. First one, input stream, and second one, output stream. So what are input streams? So input streams are nothing but reading streams. They are going to read the data from source to Java program. And generally the source is keyboard. We are going to read the data from keyboard into Java program. And then coming to output streams are nothing but writing streams. So they are going to write the data from Java program onto the destination. So from Java program to the destination, so generally the destination is monitor, display, or output screen. And to work with IO streams, we have java.io package. Now in this java.io package, we have different input stream classes and different output stream classes, using which we can perform reading operations and writing operations. So now coming to the concept of buffered output stream class. So this class is available in java.io package, and its hierarchy goes like this. So buffered output stream class is inherited from filter output stream class, and filter output stream class is inherited from output stream abstract class. So all the methods of output stream abstract class can be reused in subclass buffered output stream class. So what is the specialty of this class? So this class provides a temporary buffer. So same like buffered input stream. It will provide a temporary buffer variable, and that variable is byte array buff. So what is the use of this temporary buffer variable? So whenever we are writing data onto the destination, so destination means something like file or onto the output screen. So what happens? It will take two steps. In the first step, it will write the data to the temporary buffer. And then in the second step, when the buffer is full or flushed or in output stream is closed, then that data will be written onto the output stream, means file or output screen or display. So this is what is the use of temporary buffer. So what is the advantage of this temporary buffer? So the advantage goes like this. So when we are writing data onto common shareable resource. So when we are writing data onto the common shareable resource, like example, files or display, means when multiple people are writing data onto the common shareable resource like files or display, in that situation. So in that case, first data is written to temporary buffer, and when common shareable resource is busy, then it will wait. So then it will wait. In that situation, it will wait, and once it is free, then it will write the data to that common shareable resource. Means when multiple people are performing writing operations on files or display common shareable resource, in that situation, first the data is written onto the temporary buffer, and when we when the temporary buffer is full or flushed or closed, or when the output stream is closed. In that situation, the data will be written onto the output stream, which is common shareable resource like files or display. So this is what is the advantage of temporary buffer. Before writing the data onto the final output stream, it will write the data onto the temporary buffer, and when the temporary buffer is flushed or full or closed, then such data will be written onto the output stream. So coming to the constructors and methods of this buffered output stream class. So let us see the description of this class. Open the command prompt, go to your working directory, issue the command java p-p java.io.bufferedOutputStream class. Now in this class we have two constructors, buffered output stream, and we have to pass output stream as parameter. So output stream can be standard output device, which is monitor, system.out, or file output stream object, and then buffered output stream comma int. So int indicates the size of the temporary buffer. So this is the size of the temporary buffer which is maintained internally when we create the object of buffered output stream. First the data will go to this temporary buffer, and from there it will go to the final output stream. And these are some methods: write single byte of data, flush, and this class is inherited from filter output stream, and filter output stream is inherited from output stream. So if we see the description of output stream class, write multiple bytes of data at a time onto the temporary buffer, and then to the output stream we can use flush method and then close. So when we use flush method, then temporary buffer data will be written onto the final output stream, that is monitor or display or file, right? So these are some two constructors and then important methods, and all these methods throws IOException. So whenever we are using this methods in our program, we are supposed to work with try catch. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. So the program goes like this: buffered output stream example1.java, and then we are going to write the data onto the monitor from buffered output stream. So monitor indicates system.out. So system means current computer system, dot out indicates standard output device, which is monitor, right? So take a new page. So program to demo buffered output stream to write data on output screen, system.out. So main class with main method, buffered output stream example1. So save the program in our working directory. So save it as buffered output stream example1.java. Right, so we'll use try and then followed by catch top level exception class E. So print exception type and message system.out.println E. So we are going to use buffered output stream. So import java.io.star. Right, so inside the try block we'll take string ss is equals to new string, and I want to write this data onto the output screen. Hello students. This data I want to write it on the output screen. So first of all we have to convert that string data into byte array data. How to do this? It's very simple here. So we'll take byte array b is equals to ss dot get bytes, right? So ss dot get bytes. So in string class we have this method. It will convert string data into byte array. So if we see the description of java.lang.string, so inside this string class we should have this get bytes method. So let us find out that method and what is the return type of that method. So if we scroll up, at the beginning we have get bytes method. Right. So this is the method. It's a public method, get bytes. So ss.getBytes, it will convert the string data into byte array so that we can write this data easily onto the buffered output stream. Right. So now we'll create an object of buffered output stream. So buffered output stream, we'll take the object name as something like BOS is equals to new buffered output stream, and we'll pass the parameter to the constructor as system.out. So system.out indicates standard output device, which is monitor or display screen. And using buffered output stream, we are going to write B. It will write this data, byte array data, into the temporary buffer, and from there it will write the data onto the output screen. So for that, we'll say here B dot, okay, something like flush. Then such data will be written. So BOS, buffered output stream dot flush, and then buffered output stream dot close. Right, so save this data and then open the command prompt. So compile the program Java C buffered output stream example1 dot Java, and then run it. So if you see here, hello students is written onto the output screen. So internally temporary buffer will be there. First data will go to that buffer, and from there once we say flush, it will come to the output screen. Right, now we'll make a small modification in the program. So when we say flush or close, then only the data from temporary buffer will be written onto the output screen. When we say bos.write of byte array, it will not write the data. So how to verify that? So we'll take a sleep method here. So system.out.println writing data to output screen, and we are making the main thread sleep for 5000 milliseconds, which is 5 seconds. So since we are saying thread.sleep, so sleep is a static method in thread class, we can use directly with class name. So since it is used in the main class, main class with main method, so thread.sleep, it means main thread. So this becomes main thread as per JVM. So the main thread will sleep for 5 seconds. After that, when we say flush, then only it will be written onto the output screen. So let us try to recompile this. Right, first of all, save this program. Next, recompile and then run it. So writing data to the output screen, so the thread is sleeping, and then after 5 seconds, hello students will be printed onto the output screen. So here, as soon as we write, the data will not be written onto the output screen. So when we say flush or close, then only the data will be written onto the output screen. So to demonstrate that, we are making the main thread sleep for 5 seconds. So this is how we are supposed to work with buffered output stream, which provides a temporary buffer. So first data will go to the temporary buffer, and from there it will go to the output stream. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.